We're back with author Dyfia, and I cannot wait for her to pronounce the title of this book. And let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, she's also a Virginia author. Once again, reiterating, supporting your local authors, being able to represent and get other names out there in the literary industry, because you can't become a national best-selling author until someone knows your name. Dyfia, why don't you tell us a little bit about Digmatized?
And the cover.
And the cover.
And the cover.
This is my book, Digmatized, and the cover model name is Nikki Richardson, and she lives in Florida, actually. She did the cover for me. The book is basically about a woman who's with a man for sexual reasons, but even though he's not that good for her, you know, as far as having a relationship, it tells you about how hard it is to get rid of someone that you love and you've been in a relationship with or emotional relationship with for a long time. And it basically takes you through all the drama. And she's a sex therapist. Dr. Lanice Stringfield is a sex therapist who actually sleeps with her clients to help them save their marriages.
Wow.
So, but of course the women don't know. She's going to actually fall in love with one of her clients, and his wife is not going to sit down and let that happen. So, the couples do pay for her services. But what she does is she teaches them moves, and their wives become digmatized, so they don't worry about all the other crap that's going on in their relationship.
Sounds like some lessons are getting learned in this story.
Lessons being taught in this story.
Oh my. Well, why don't you tell us where we can get this at, because I'm pretty sure there's some lessons that some people need to have before Thanksgiving.
You can get this book from my website at www.dyfiablunt.com. Also on Amazon, it's available on Kindle. Also at Barnes & Noble, it's available on Nook. So get out there and get that lesson, because I have a lot of customers that tell me they read it with their significant other and they love it. They enjoy it together because there's a lot of explicit things going on.
Definitely appreciate you coming out, and I cannot wait to find out how many more readers you gain behind that.
Can I say one more thing?
You sure can.
Right now, this book is number 5 top rated best erotica on Amazon, and I've only been out 4 months.
That's progress, ladies and gentlemen. And let me tell you, getting on Amazon rankings to that level is not an easy feat. We're out there struggling with millions of authors, millions, not a few. So for you to climb that ranking in such a short period of time and still consistently rise says a lot about your work.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Dyfia. I appreciate you coming out.
All right. Thank you for having me.
Thanks.